Did you know that now GetGenie can help your local business? Yeah, you heard it right. With GetGenie, now you can generate compelling, concise, and structured Google Business Profile post for your WordPress site in seconds. Whether you want to generate posts for your company updates, upcoming events, service highlights, or even discount offer, you can do that with GetGenie in seconds. So now let's see how you can use GetGenie's Google Business Profile Post Generator and generate your GBP post in seconds. So for that, you have to be logged in your WordPress site's admin panel and go to AI Writing tab. From here, click Google Business Profile Post Generator. So with that, right sidebar will show up on the screen. So from here, input your business name. Let's say your business name is Pool Primer. Set your location. That says Tempe East Valley. Post type, let's say service highlights. Service name, pool cleaning. Additional info, here you can provide any specific info if you want. For example, you can say cover weekly and deep cleaning. The language is set to English. If you want, you can change the language. The creativity is now set to 4 out of 5. Let me put it in 5 out of 5. Max results I want is 2. After that, hit the right button. Here you have to wait for a few seconds. Here it is. Your GB post for service highlight is right on your screen. So you can see it's concise, compelling, and structured. Likewise, you can take a look at the second output. So once you have both the outputs, you can choose the one you like. Let's say you choose the first one. So click the output card. So it's copied. Now you can paste it in your Google Business Profile easily. So that's it.